Today, I am having a really hard time deciding exactly what to talk about. There are two things that I really want to stress. So consider this the first of a three-part series, okay? The first thing I want to talk about, I've been thinking a lot about kings and what it takes to be one. The reason I think about this, I was reading a few books on kings. I was reading Art of War, which is how to manage an empire, basically. Marcus Aurelius's Meditations. I was reading King Solomon's Proverbs and the Book of Kings, and I was watching Maggie, by the anime show about Aladdin, and I was thinking about kings a lot because to be a king, think of how much pressure that is to rule over that many people and resources. Because in the quest for success, we're all trying to get money here, and money, we're just commanding resources and we're commanding people in order to achieve a definite aim that yields a certain result, right? So in a way, we're like being kings, okay? So it's good to follow their example. These people are at the pinnacle of management. Now, the very first step to being a king, I think, is to rule yourself. Lao Tzu says something along the lines of to rule others is strength, to rule yourself is power. Maybe I got that wrong, but it is very true. Imagine running a kingdom full of people. You have to deal with the plague, you have to deal with warring nations at your borders, you have to deal with riots, you have to deal with food shortages, you have to deal with so much. And if you are not in control of yourself, how could you possibly rule over others? I want you to take away from this lesson just one thing, okay? The first person is you got to rule yourself, okay? Think of yourself as two people. You have your conscious and your subconscious mind. Your subconscious is always listening and waiting for you to direct it. And it will do whatever you direct it to do. Use your conscious mind to direct yourself in a loving way, okay? Really care for yourself and direct yourself. And remember, you're your first soldier. You are your first hired hand. You've got to take care of yourself. You've got to love yourself. You got to know what you need and direct yourself. You got to take care of yourself and direct yourself towards your aims. If you can do this, then one day you'll have the strength to lead others, the strength and the right to lead others. So good luck.